Hey guys, it's Lauren. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a pop-up card that you can customize to your liking. Now without further ado, let's get straight on to the video. The materials needed are cardstock paper, scissors, a paper cutter is optional, glue, a stamp pad is optional, embellishments are optional, a ruler is optional, some colored cardstock, and a compass. So first I am taking some antique looking paper and gluing it onto cardstock to make it more durable. After we have that, I am just folding it in like this and then cutting off the flap at the bottom to make this square shape, and then folding it in half, creasing it, then opening it up and folding it in half again the other way. Afterwards, fold it diagonally and then open it up and fold it diagonally again the other way. Creasing it, and then fold the outer corners inwards like so to create this triangle. And then take the outer corners and fold it to meet the center crease. Do it on both sides. And then turn it around and do the same process. Here it is, and then just open one side up like so. And fold the outer corners inwards. Do the same to the other side. Now here is how it should work. Here I'm just gluing 2 pieces of cardstock, as well as a colored cardstock on top, and then one for the bottom. This is so it could be double-sided in color as well as very durable. Here it is, and then just fold it in half. Now just take what we made earlier and match up its corner with the center crease. Here is how it should look, and then now mark where you want to cut the cover in proportion to our pop-up. And then just round the edges. And now for a more polished look, you could take your black stamp pad and line the black ink along the edges of your cover. Here you can go ahead and round the edges of your pop-up. And stamping along the edges. So now, here it is. And line up the corner with the center crease and glue down these sides. Ta-da! And you totally could have just written a note before you glued in the pop-up and called it a day, but I wanted to add some nice embellishments on the inside, aka these flowers. Here they are, and I'm just going to be gluing them into my pop-up. Here I glued on the flowers in relative to the folds so that they don't get completely crushed. For example, this pink one is glued along this flat surface, This periwinkle is glued along this flat surface that folds inwards. And then this blue one, I purposely folded it in half so that it could align nicely with the center crease. Now here is a tutorial on how to make this origami butterfly. Here I'm just starting off with the 4x4 piece of colored cardstock, folding it diagonally, creasing it, folding it diagonally again the opposite way, then folding it in half, and then folding it in half again the opposite way. So now just flip it over and fold the outer sides inwards like so to create this triangle. And then fold that large triangle in half to create this smaller triangle. Then just take the side with the many flaps on it and round out the edges. Here it is. And then just proceed to fold the outer corners inwards. And do the same to the other side. And keep in mind, we're not exactly folding it to the center crease, we're just matching up the sides and aligning them, as shown here. Now just take this bottom flap and fold it all the way upwards. Don't be afraid to use force because most likely you will need it. Fold all the way up and then fold it inwards like so. And then the last step is to just fold it in half. Here it is, and keep in mind I did not use any adhesive for this. Now going back to our pop-up book, I'm just gluing my butterfly's abdomen to this crease right here so that it can easily open and close using a hot glue gun. Here it is. Now this is optional, but I'm just gluing together some beads on the cover and attaching this string as sort of like a hook. And after embellishing and everything, here is the finished product. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you would ever make this. And if you would, what would you put on the inside of it? See you in my next video. Hi guys!
Hi, little Lauren!
What do you think this is?
Wow. OMG.
Say bye for the camera, guys.
Bye!